Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez. Welcome. Just going to do a live unboxing, and if you want to look at my shop at all, there's a link on the screen. You can click on that to go to my store, and let's get on with it. I'll just flip us down to the table. So I've got a few things I ordered the other day. So this is a small unboxing. And I just thought I'd do it live again because it's so much fun. And also just to remind you that it's Tuesday today, which is the 30th of August, and tomorrow is the last day of Sale-A-Bration. So if you've been involved in Stampin' Up and seeing all of that sort of thing, you'll know all about Sale-A-Bration. If you don't, and this is your first time, Sale-A-Bration comes out twice a year now. So when they put this mini catalogue out, they also put out the Sale-A-Bration. So it goes to the 31st of August, and I'll just go through that a little bit in a minute, and I'll just get into the box and open that up and show you a few things. So here's my host code for August. I'll be closing that after my live tomorrow night. I usually do it about 10 o'clock the last day of the month, but I always put up a new host code in my Stampin' Up shop website here under specials. You can always find my current host code there, and I use the host code for my customers so that I'm the host for that for the month, and when I get orders on there, it builds up and get Stampin' rewards, so I can put those rewards back to my customers and send you a little gift if you're spending over $50 with me. It's always nice to get freebies, isn't it? Let me just get into the box. Feel free to say hi if you're online. I'll just get this up on my other screen so that I can see it. Any comments? I'm going to put that on mute. We don't want to hear me twice, do we? Okay, I'll just click that to open it up. It's always good to be able to see the comments if anyone's there commenting. Last time I did it, I couldn't see them at all on my iPad, so today I've got it on the computer as well. Pop that down there. So as usual, they've got lots of air in my box. So depending on what you order, what box they pack them in, they do put the air in generally just to pad it out so that it protects your products. Just throw them on the floor. They're all recyclable too, so you can pop them in your plastics bag that goes back to the supermarket. Okay. Contains active ingredients that accelerate the biodegradation when in the presence of microorganisms. Reusable, recyclable, biodegradable. So they're handy to hang on to too if you need to pack anything. You know, they're really good. So I have been having this on my wish list for ever so long. This is so gorgeous. The Grassy Grove, and I saw it again the other day on the Stampin' Up official page. She did something with it, and I went, oh, I just got to get that. Something I can use again and again. I'll show you what they look like. So you've got all, it doesn't do it justice in the packet, of course. I'll have to make a card. Not right now, though. So that's the stamp set. And you've got this beautiful die here. Let me just get it off there. And it's like a little background shadow sort of thing you can do with it. See that? Isn't that gorgeous? And you can do that over the animal there. Isn't that cute? And you've got animals in here too, so do more silhouettes. I just love it. I've just been waiting to get that for a while. And I saw something that inspired me. I went, oh, got to have that. So I've got it finally. I love this one too. I've seen similar things in some other stamp sets. So again, coordination is really good. You can coordinate across even some of the sentiment, the fonts they've used. So it's really cool the way they coordinate things across different things. Now here's the envelopes I meant to buy last time. If you watched my last live, I bought the little ones accidentally. The little 3x3s, but this is the size I generally use, the C6. For the cards that I make, and I'll just show you one of the cards so they fit in there nicely. I'll show you those cards in a minute. That's my envelopes. What else did we get today? We got the Cozy and Bright So this one, here, let's open it for you. So these are, I'm going to use this one in my card and copper later in the year, October. So the ones that come with stamps in them are usually sealed up like this. The other ones without the stamps, the box is already open, and you can, and the packet inside of it is sealed. Let's pull that off. So they come like that. Just open them in the box. They're really nice sturdy boxes, so you can use them for postage as well, or just even decorate them yourself and store things in. So this is the Cozy and Bright one. So it comes with a little Stampin' Spot, Poppy Parade, which is awesome. So the rest of the packet, so there's the little stamps you get in this one. So these are going to be great for making some quick Christmas cards. They also make great gifts if you don't know what to buy someone. There's other collections in the kids collection. There's a lot of kits in there at the moment. And so you could buy a kit for someone, because then they can make the cards up and send them to someone else and keep them boxed for themselves or use it for something. So this comes with little envelopes, and these two, well, they're all the same, I think. So it comes with a little block that you can stamp with, the twine that you need. It comes with everything you need. So there's instructions in there. That's the instruction sheet there. And I will be using that later in the year. If you like any of these things and you want to order anything, please let me know. Or if you need help ordering, I can order for you if you don't want to do it yourself online. I'm happy to do that for people. It's always good to get your own account going though, so you can keep a list of what you've ordered. But if you don't like doing that, that's okay. So this one here is the Aspen dies. Now this is part of the, let me think, Sale-A-Bration at the moment. So with Sale-A-Bration, they added a few things in August that were things you could already buy in the catalogue. So that is the Aspen Tree dies. That's what they look like. And I'll just show you the actual, let me just find it for you. Hang on a minute. I think, is that in the mini catalogue? I think it's in the mini catalogue. If you go to the back of your mini catalogue, and if you don't have a catalogue and you'd like one, I'm happy to send them out in Australia. I do a complimentary to my customers. I can put you on the mailing list, so when Stampin' Up do their mail out, it goes out automatically. So this is the Aspen Tree dies set. So you can buy it as a bundle, but at the moment, if you spend $180, this one, if you spend $180 today or tomorrow, you can still get this die set for free. So that's pretty awesome. So the whole thing is featured on page 46. There's a few other things still in there, and if you go on the website and have a look, they show, just look in the section where it says specials or new things, and you'll find the Sale-A-Bration. Did I go to the wrong page? 48. 46. There we go. So that's what I haven't got the stamp yet, but that's the stamp set. And that's the dies. So they make beautiful, and I've seen people do lots of different things with these dies. You can put other things behind that frame as well. So it's just a really versatile set. So I decided to grab that while I could get it for free. So because I've ordered $180 worth, I could get that for free. Now that finishes tomorrow night, so if you want anything out of the Sale-A-Bration, make sure you grab it today or tomorrow. So this is the Snowflake specialty vellum, and I just saw someone use it the other day and I thought, oh, I think I better get some of that. So pretty. So I want to get in and get more Christmas cards done too. So I'll just show you, oh, it feels nice already. Okay, so we've got, oh, that is so sparkly. Let's see what we've got in here. We've got that one. The back is just plain, so it's meant to be single-sided. And there's dots. Let me get something to put behind it. Let's put some blue behind it. There you go. So depending on what colour you put behind it, let's get a red one. Get different looks. That's that one. So we've got one of those. We'll probably have 2 of each. And that one. Lots of snowflakes going on there. And this one, hang on a minute. Oh, okay, so they're the sparkly ones. And then these ones are like velvet. They are very... Let me see if I can get that in the picture for you. Oh, broke my fingernail. Never mind. Okay, so they're sort of fluffy. Soft and... There we go. Fuzzy. So we've got 3 of those as well. In the same design. You've got your dots. That is really pretty. That's the packet for that. And then I just bought some more plain vellum. So you can buy the A4 vellum as well. It comes in a pack like this of 20 sheets, A4 size. And that way you can make what you want with your vellum. Stamp on it. I tend to stamp on it with the stays on ink if you just want the black on white. Otherwise you can use the colours and just make sure it dries. It takes a little bit longer to dry, but you can use your heat tool or anything like that. And I'll just pop them back down there. Now I'll just show you a couple of things before I go. So in the Sale-A-Bration items that are still there, these are a couple of cards I made a couple of weeks ago in my live, and they were inspired by the Stampin' Up official page in Instagram, and I just love them. They did this beautiful water thing there, and I'd already done this one in another, in watercolor month I did a bit of watercoloring backgrounds, and I just had little pieces sitting on the side, but the background is one of the embossing folders, so that is gorgeous, that embossing folder. Look at that, it's so rich and beautiful. Love it. Have I got it around the right way? Yes. Well, you could have it both ways, I suppose. So that was that embossing folder in the background, the seashells one. And this is part of the Sale-A-Bration still. So this is another one. This is the timber embossing folder, and that's on gold card. And I've got this one. So this was with a... Those ones are with a $90 spend. This one is with a $180 spend. So this is called the Dots and Spots. And it comes out looking like that. And I saw them on the Stampin' Up official page again the other day, using it to put Versamark on through the dots with the Versamark ink pad. And then they were putting gold embossing powder on the dots, and you ended up with a dotted looking piece of card. So something else to play with. And what else have we got here? So we've got a few other things coming up. The Perfect Partners is coming out on the 1st of September. It's current for demonstrators now, but you can only buy 1 of each. So I have actually I did use this one in my live last week. I think it was last week, the week before. And so if you want to see the cards from that, just go back to my page and scroll back a bit. You'll see a card I made with those. And I used some of the gold paper as well. I mixed it up a bit, so you've got a few different things to look at. So that was that one. And so the special with this is that the stamps are already available, but they're offering the dies in September. You can buy them as the bundle, or you can buy them individually. It's always cheaper to buy a bundle. It's 10% off for a bundle. But there's a few there to look at. And if you'd like to be on my mailing list to get the emails when the promotions come out, just let me know and I can add you to the email list so that you get all the up-to-date news. So that's that one. And it's going to be World Card Making Day on the 1st of October. So that's exciting. And I've got an event already. So in my stampinup.net, I've got events. There's all sorts of things in there. So if you have a look in events, I've put something in there for this, and I'll be doing it on Zoom. But if you buy one of these bundles in September, as a demonstrator, you can buy it now. If you join, you can buy it now. And as a customer, you can buy them in September. You get to get a free, you like the word free, I like the word free, iridescent pearls basic jewels. I've already used some of these ones, but when you order one of these bundles, you'll get 1 of these. You won't get more than 1. You'll only get 1 for any of the bundles you buy. Even if you buy 3 bundles, you'll only get 1 set of these. So as a customer, if you're doing that in September, you need to manually enter the item number, which is written here. There's an item number there. So you need to manually put that in your order, and then it will show up as a $0 purchase. As a demonstrator, in your demonstrator website or a workshop order, you can add it in. It will automatically add be a little freebie for you. Okay. Oh, hi, Athena. Welcome. That's okay. You can catch the replay. It'll still be there. See if anyone else is there. My thing doesn't scroll some days on my comments. Sorry. Yeah, so that's really exciting that that's coming up. And World Card Making Day should be lots of fun. Stampin' Up are doing a special thing that we can share with everybody, so anyone can join in. You don't have to buy bundles, you don't have to buy anything. You can just come along and join in the fun on the day. So if you're interested in that event, make sure you go to my events in the stampinup.net and click that you'd like to attend that. Or send me a message in the private message or comments and I'll contact you. So that should be lots of fun. So that's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Alrighty, so that's about it for my unboxing. So have a nice day and happy stamping. I'll be back Wednesday night live as usual at 8:30 creating something. I usually decide now just before it what I'm going to use, and I try and focus on something that's, you know, a current promotion or something coming up, and we just create together and have a good time. Okay, I'll catch you later. Ciao.